So what's up YouTube? Yes, I got to tier 50 and 4 legendary star drops. Yeah, I was supposed to make this video like for a long time ago. A few days ago actually, I think. Yeah. Okay, first let's use Colette in solo showdown. I'll play all of them in solo showdown. Yeah, I'll play everything that I have in the legendary star drops. Okay, we are now in. The first title is right there. I already put the icon for the Pinku Paulette. Okay. I'm not good at using Colette. This skin is definitely good. Okay. Cool. On to the first thing that I got from the tier 50 legendary star drop. Okay, so on to what I got for my tier 50 legendary star drop is a bull with not the blue color one. I got it. The blue color one I got it from an epic star drop, and that doesn't count. I have touchdown bull. I am not gonna upgrade him, and yes, I'm playing all of them in Kevin Chun, one of the most hated maps. I'm gonna play them all in solo showdown. If I die, if I win, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to make this video go as fast as I can because I'm scared that this video will like be too long, and there's quite a lot of stuff actually. The one of the rare skins that do not have any cool animations and like the attack effects and stuff. I think it's good for a bull to be in the bush. I'm scared of Miko will pop up. Yeah, kill it. Shoot, run away. Okay, let's go in again. Make sure there's no one. Feel like a Miko will pop up again. Okay. Why did I shoot there? Oh no. On to my second legendary star drop. The second legendary star drop I got from here. Yes, finally 20,000 trophies. And what I got is one of the best skins, Stonk Spam. Let's hop into a game. We are now in a game. Pam is definitely not gonna be that good in solo showdown, so yeah, I have not really upgraded her. There's a surge, there's a max. Get this box. In Reddit, I've seen like a lot, like someone which made like a cool play. Like they killed they used Pam to kill like a lot of other players. There. Okay. Onto the other legendary star drop. Ooh, cool animations. On the third legendary star drop, I got it from like playing and stuff. Yeah, you see, playing Brawl Stars and getting 8 wins every time just to get 3 star drops could get you a legendary star drop, and that's what I got. I got this skin from that. Let's hop into a game. I feel like I keep on saying this, but I am now in a game with bots this time. Because of how bad I was. I really like the shooting animation of it. Real cool. I have the just one shot. You know, one more. Gah, so close. Okay. Gain some health. Use another one of these. Speed. Die. Let's go. La. I don't need that one. I don't need that. I'm super, but it's okay. And my first win. On to my 4th legendary star drop. On the 4th legendary star drop with the Star Toon event, they don't tell you that you get a legendary star drop. And what I got from it is very cool. I got RT. I'll show you a video of it or an image. Let's play RT. Last but not least, we are back and we are in a game. Cool. RT moves pretty slow. Pretty good damage. RT be putting out some good damage. Okay, let's play another game. I kept on standing there because I thought Shelly won't put out that much damage. I was so wrong. Get away from me. Inline is one of the so close. Come back. Okay. What the heck? Flippo flappo. Finally. I can now just another one. This time I'ma play RT like a pro, and this is my last time. Okay, I gotta do it nice, quick. Oh, get away, just... It was mine! Please. Man, you suck. Oh, no. What? Yes! Oof. No one there. Dun. Should I buy the inline gadget for memes? No. Okay. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.